A personal injury case is a case in which you've been injured as the result of someone else's negligence, and that means that someone else is at fault for causing your injury. In order to resolve a personal injury case, the first thing is that you need to get the proper medical care and attention that you need. While you're getting medical care and treatment, we're dealing with the insurance company. Our track record is that we get 99% of our cases settled without the need of ever having to go to court. We work on a contingency fee basis. That means you pay no fees up front, nothing gets paid until the case is concluded and we get a recovery for you. Here at Scott J. Corwin, a professional law corporation, we've handled more than 3,000 cases over the last 30 years, recovering more than $125 million for our clients who've been injured as the result of someone else's negligence. If you've been seriously injured in an accident, you should hire my firm. We've got the experience and the expertise to help you get the best recovery possible.